Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20B question number 5. Calculate the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. So first let's make the quadrilateral ABCD. Fine, this is ABCD, in which AB is 32, AD is 24 and angle A is 90. BC is equal to 52 is equal to CD, that is 52. Now what we need to find? We need to find the area of quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral will be equal to, if I divide joint DB, it will make two triangles. So area of quadrilateral will be area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Now we will find the area of both the triangles individually. So area of triangle ABD, as ABD is a right angle triangle, will be half base into height, right? So the base is AB and height is AD, right? So this will become half 32 into 24. This goes by 16. 16 into 24 becomes 384. As the measurements are given in centimeter, the area becomes centimeter square. Now my job will be to find the area of triangle BCD. I'll draw the triangle here BCD for your convenience. BCD. This is 52, this is 52. As the two sides are equal, so this becomes an isosceles triangle. Fine. So we know in the isosceles triangle, what is the rule for isosceles triangle? The line, the altitude from the vertex to the base divides the base into two equal portions, right? This altitude divides the base into two equal portions, right? We can apply that rule also. First we will find the BD with the help of ABD, right? And then we will use that to find the height, this height. But here I am using the scalene triangle formula, that is Heron's formula. This is 52, this is 52. This is D, this is B, this is C. So now from triangle ABD, I am using Pythagoras theorem. Fine. Using Pythagoras theorem. ABD is a right angle triangle at A. So DB square is equal to AD square plus AB square by Pythagoras theorem. We all know this. Fine. Now what we will do? We will try to find this AD square, DB square, right? So DB square will be AD square. What is AD? AD is 24. Fine. And what is AB? AB is 32. So 24 square is 576 and 32 square is 1024. This becomes 1600. So DB square is 1600. So DB is square root of 1600, that is 40 centimeter. So we got DB as 40. Now we have this as 40. Now we have all the sides of this triangle. Fine. Now what we will use? We will use Heron's formula. Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? It is to find the area when the sides are different. We can use it even in this also isosceles triangle. This formula is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Fine. What is S? S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. And what is ABC? A, B, C are sides. So first we will find S. S is 52 plus 40. This will come out 10, 14, 144 centimeter by 2. That is 72. Now we will put the values of S and A. This becomes 72. This becomes 72 minus A. A can be any of the side. B can be the second side, that is 52, and the third side which we calculated as 40. So this is 72 into 72 minus 52. 20. 72 minus 52, 20, and 72 minus 40 becomes 32. Right? Now, no need to multiply everything inside the square root to get the square root. What we will do, these two 20s are in pair. We know when we find the square root, what we do, we make pairs of the number inside the square root, and from that pair, we take out 1. I'll just show you once again. Suppose I have to find the square root of 4. I can factorize it as 2 into 2. 2 is in pair and we will take out 1 from it. So same thing we will apply here. So 20 is in pairs. So no need to do anything with this 20. We'll leave it. But we know 72. 8 into 4 is 72 and 8 into 9 is 72 and 30 is 8 into 4. So 72 can be written as 8 into 9, 20 into 20, let it be because this is already in pair, and this will become 8 into 4. Fine. Now we will do 8 is again in pair, 8 into 8 together, 20 into 20 and 9 into 4. We can put 9 also as 3 into 3 and 4 as 2 into 2, but we know it, so no need to do. So what we will do now, 8 is in pair, 20 is in pair, and 9 and 4 ka square root we know. So 8 out of 8, I'll take 1 8. Out of 20, I will take 120. Out of 9 ka square root I know it is 3 and 4 ka square root is 2. So this will come out as 8 into 20 into 3 into 6. Right? So now this will together be, let's calculate it. It will be 8 2s are 16, 160 into 6, 0, 6 6 are 36, 960 centimeter square. So what will be the area of the quadrilateral? Area of the quadrilateral, total area you can write here, will be area of triangle which we found here, area of the triangle ABD 384 and area of triangle BCD, right? So area of triangle ABD was how much? 384 and area of triangle BCD was 960. Fine. So this will total come out as 1344 centimeter square. So this is my area of the quadrilateral.